Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 19th of May 2021. It's around 9:45 a.m. in the morning, of course. It's raining. It's a beautiful day. Today I am going to get my first dose of COVID vaccine. So I thought I'll vlog this entire experience so that I can share whatever information I have. I'm sure it's going to help a lot of you out there. Firstly, the booking process was a task ever since the portal opened for the age group of 18 to 44 years. I have been stuck to my phone, like literally trying to book every minute, but it was full all the time. Initially, I was not even getting the OTP. So I think the website was overloaded. I'm sure you guys must have experienced the same. But anyway, I'll tell you how I got my slot finally. So I downloaded the Telegram app and then I subscribed to the local alert group of my area. So what you can do is, say for example, if you live in Mumbai, in Andheri West, you can look for the Andheri West vaccine alerts or Mumbai vaccine alerts groups, and then you can subscribe to as many as you can. I just did that, and I think in like literally 2 days of following the alerts in Telegram app, I got the booking slot finally. So I'll tell you, if you are registering for more than one person from one account, like one phone number, I think the website does not let you book for all of them together anymore. If people in your group or in your family are tech savvy enough, they can book on their own. Let them book on their own. Like maybe you all can log in at the same time. It's just that you'll end up wasting a lot of time doing one by one. It's better to log in from different devices and then try and book. You might also end up getting the same slots. Now another thing that I thought is important and might end up helping you guys is that when you log into CoWIN portal, you'll see and when you enter your PIN code, you'll see different centers, right? So the slots that are booked are in red. The slots that have few left, like 1, 2, 3, they are in yellow, and the slots that are like open and enough numbers, like many, like 100, 250, 25, they are in green. So always look for the green one. Don't waste your time with the yellow one, because I tried doing that initially because I thought एक तो है, दो तो है, but वो कभी नहीं मिलता है, you know, and you'll end up wasting so much time, and by the time you waste that time with the yellow slot, the green slots are also gone. So just don't even look at the yellow slots. I'll say, if there is a green slot, just like our fastest finger first, go for it. And a lot of people in our family, in our circle, don't have the means to book. They don't know how to book. They're not tech savvy enough. So please help them. People like your staff, your mates, your drivers, your gardeners, whoever, you know, cannot book on their own. Please help them also to get the vaccine, because if you don't, you know, encourage them by helping them, they might not even end up getting their doses. I'm about to leave now, and as a precaution, I'm going to wear a double mask, and I'm also going to wear a shield. Just try and wear like a very comfortable outfit, which is easy for the medical staff to, you know, give you the jab, and it's easier for you also to, you know, take the shot. So I'm wearing a t-shirt which is very comfortable, and try and avoid handbags. Like, don't overload yourself with things. You have to carry your mobile phone, of course, because you'll need to show the message and everything, so that is important. Just carry a bottle of water. Try and eat heavy food so that you don't starve over there, because you don't know how much time it's really gonna take. So yeah, I think I'm just doing that, and I'm on my way. I'm excited also, but I'm a little scared. I don't know why, I am a little scared, but anyway, now I'm ready to leave. I'll see you. Hi guys, I just got back, sanitized, cleaned up, and it was quite a quick process, I must say, beyond my expectation, because I got my slot at the government hospital and I thought it will take a lot of time, it will be very complicated and disorganized, but it was quite organized and I was so happy because I just went, took my token number, stood in the queue, got my details filled, and then I just got inside, got my jab, and then came out. Quickly, I just want to share a few points. If you are going to a private hospital where the vaccine is paid, carry the exact change cash, because you don't want to have so many transactions. Don't definitely use your card, and a lot of private hospitals don't have the facility of GPay or Paytm, so it's better, always better to just carry the exact change amount and just get done with it. Secondly, wear a very comfortable attire, like I said earlier. Wear like full trouser or pant, like shoes and sneakers, to minimize the exposure, and of course don't wear heels and fancy clothes, and jewelry of course, because metal jewelry, any kind of accessory, they are one of the major carriers, so just avoid that. Also, you maintain social distancing, okay, because a lot of people till now have not understood the intensity of this pandemic. They don't care about social distancing, so you maintain it, and if you see somebody is not doing that, please ask them. You know, it's not about being arrogant, it does not make you a rude person, it just makes you a responsible person. So please ask them to maintain social distancing. Carry a pen, very important, because there you'll have to fill a form and you don't want to go around asking for pen. Carry your ID card, of course, the same ID card that you entered, like the number that you entered while booking your slot. They will ask you for the original copy at a lot of places. Mine center asked for the original copy, so just carry that. Lastly, please understand, we are in a very trying times right now. It is so difficult for everyone. Everyone is making the best effort that they can, so please have patience. You know, our medical system is overloaded right now, it's crashing almost. Our medical staffs are overworked, so please be patient with them. I know I was lucky, I got out in half an hour, but I know a lot of people who had to like go through a lot of issues while getting their vaccine, so it might not be the same for everyone. So please have patience, because it's important to at least be considerate of the efforts that they all are making, like working so hard day and night since over a year now, you know. So be patient, you know, rather than blaming them, blaming the system, blaming the staffs. And I know there is negligence, no, things are not completely organized, but this is the least that we can do, right? Show some compassion, you know. This is the way we can just say maybe thank you by being patient, you know. So just do that, and yeah, that's it. That's all that I can think of as of now. It was a very easy process for me and I'm quite happy. My next dose is due after 84 days now. So yeah, I'll keep updating you guys about how I feel by the evening and maybe tomorrow also. So yeah, that's it. Now I'll go have my lunch and maybe I'll just take it easy today. I didn't even work out. I just did my meditation, and I'm just going to take it very easy today. It's 4:30 p.m. and I just woke up. I slept for 2 hours straight and now I'm having my chai. So I don't have any side effect as such. I'm completely fine. Nothing at all. I just have maybe slight pain in my arm where I got the shot, which is my left arm. Rest everything is fine, like very normal. 20th of May around 7:30 in the morning. I just woke up some time back. I had slight fever in the night, so I took paracetamol and I woke up with slight fever again in the morning. As in, there is no temperature as such, but I know something is going on in my body. I have a very bad body ache, but I pulled myself out of bed because if I keep sleeping, I'll fall all the more sick, but I'm going to take it slow today. So yeah, I think these are the very basic side effects of the vaccine, which is completely fine. So please go get your vaccine whenever you can, and I hope this was helpful. So I'm going to see you guys very soon. Bye bye.